how to find email, comments, notifications, settings on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find email, comments, notifications, settings on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud and then click library, and here you will find your profile in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings and then notifications. Now scroll down until you find email notifications, and here you will find the comment on your post. And now you can manage it, you can turn it on or off just by one click, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.